Little baby bass.
How do you get all that out?
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today and tonight and for the next. What exactly does that mean? That means I'm gonna be camping. Hold on. I'm gonna be camping in the back of my truck. Excuse me while Black Hawk is behind me doing his thing. Alright. Got a sleeping bag. Got a tent. Got a chair. I got a hot plate in here. And some utensils, among some other things. Before we start doing dinner, let's set up our tent. They say this is supposed to be super fast setup. Let's find out. Pack yours well. Single person tent. Ooh, these are metal too. One was like a 2-person tent. Ugh. Big clippy. A little faster than I thought it'd be. Honest, a tad bit too long. That's okay. I love the metal. You can bend it. Under. Not bad. Woo. Well, JK, I forgot to buy a lighter, and I don't really want to go get one. It's gonna be a tomorrow thing when we cook. We're just gonna have some cold chili and some snacks. I think I got some chips. That should have to be good for tonight's dinner. So weird enough, this is going to be tonight's setup. Back of my truck, tent, essentials, clothes is in the gray box that'll eventually come out here. And then we'll sit, and chill out, watch the sunset. It's not super urban truck camping, it's just more just truck camping. The National Guard Armory that I work at, when I have to do Army stuff. But I'm the first one here, no one else is here. And most of the people that do go here live super local, and I don't. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this, watch some shows. I'll see you, it's time for bed. Ooh. Alright guys, so I am on my cot. I'm actually sitting on my knees, and this thing's pretty spacious, but I will see you in the morning. I gotta go hit the hay because I got a big day tomorrow finding answers that I don't have answers to yet. I have questions I don't have answers to. See you in the morning. What's up guys, don't forget, don't think I forgot about you. We are gonna set this up tonight. I bought a lighter, cook some food. I got off doing Army stuff super late tonight, so there we go. We're gonna be having beef pot roast soup. Eat and eat. There we go. I'm just a moron. We have fire! Even with this being the first time using both the pot, the burner, and the utensils, I'm gonna say I'm fairly impressed. I guess I can use this. Turn that up just a little bit. Pour this into my cup. Some water in here and clean it out just a little bit. And we're gonna put this aside. And I'm gonna eat this and go to bed because I've had a really long day. I will see y'all tomorrow, hopefully not this late. Alright guys, tonight we're gonna have some steak and vegetables by Progresso. I'm throwing some soy sauce flavored golden ramen. Oh, what the fuck? See this? I don't know what it's doing. Hey, buddy. Hey, brother. Alright, guys, so I had to quit cooking. I had to go do Army NCO things. And then I set up my tent. So I set my tent up. Now I get everything else ready. Alright, got the soy sauce now in. I'm gonna start packing some of this up, let it cool off, so I can enjoy this and get to bed because I'm tired. Alright guys, so we got the soy sauce in. I'm gonna clean up and eat inside the cab of my truck. Go shower. Yeah, and then go to bed. Because I gotta be up again tomorrow at 4 to be ready by 5, to be in formation by 5:30, to go throw a ball that explodes. Alright, you Kit Kat and caboodles. Tonight we're gonna have, I think this is chicken noodle soup, leftover MRE from today's mission, and I'm gonna mix that in with some tomato soup. I see the noodles, I don't know if I see the chicken. Where is the chicken? Get the propane out. Today we had the Grenadier range. What does that mean? We got to throw fake grenades at holes. Let me tell you how much fun it was. It really wasn't. None of us got to throw any live grenades, so that means I'm gonna have to do this later. Later time. Let there be fire. There we go. Alright, chicken noodle soup, canned tomato soup, alright guys, I'm gonna finish cooking this, eat this, go to bed. Tomorrow we're gonna have to go to the store and get something else, so you'll probably be along with that ride. Woo! What's up, what's up? Welcome to meal number 2, 4, 6, I don't know. Second to last night here. Tonight we're going to have some smoky chips. Some Nissan Rail Ramen. And some chunky potato, baked potato, cheddar, and bacon bits. So I got out a little early today so I can go fishing. I did catch one fish today, and mind you, it was no bass to brag about, but catch is a catch. And in the process of that, I tore up and backlashed my American Hero pretty bad. Just a cut. Unspool it, cut it out. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna eat. I will catch y'all tomorrow night for our last night out here in the urban camping in Temple, Texas. Alright guys, I don't feel like setting up the tent tonight, and nor do I feel like cooking. So we'll be sleeping right here in my truck, and I guess I will see y'all in the morning when I wake up as I hit the road, Jack. And I won't come back no more until December. I'll see you in the morning. Okay. Okay guys. Lots happened in the last 2 days. But that's for another time, another video. I just wanted to say, hey, thanks for watching the urban camping video in Central Texas, Temple, Texas. And please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.
You've got mail. You've got mail.